Amazon Prime Day 2020 is here. Keep watching for some tips and tricks to get the most out of the sale. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tony and welcome to Tuesday's Tips. It's Amazon Prime Day 2020. Prime Day? Prime Days, as it's over 2 days, and I'm about to show you some tips and tricks so you can get the most out of it. If this is your first time here, then welcome along. Please think about hitting that subscribe button and joining the gang. And if you're a returning viewer, then thanks for coming back. I really do appreciate your support. So Amazon Prime Day, is it all hype? Well, yes and no. No, in the fact that I've always lived by the saying that a bargain is only a bargain if you were prepared to pay the full price for it anyway. That's when you'll get it on sale. And you can get some bargains on the site. Just be careful of the ones you're going for. And it is a little bit of hype because they do put items on there and quote a massive discount when in reality the price of that item hasn't been much more of what it's currently at on the Prime Day. I'll go more into that in the video, but safe to say you can get a bargain. Now it's called Prime Day for a reason, and that's because you do need to be a Prime member to take advantage of the deals. This is not a problem. I've left a link below so you can get a free 30-day trial of Prime, which will allow you to sign up, get the deals, enjoy the benefits of Prime for 30 days. And if you cancel it in time, you won't be charged. I swear by Prime for $7.99 a month. The benefits you get are fantastic, but that's for another video. Okay, so let's jump into Amazon and have a look at this year's Prime Day. Okay, so here's Prime Day. This is the home screen. I won't go through it too much. These are all your categories. You can select which category you want and then you can sub-sort it down here by filtering the results. I just want to show you lightning deals for those that aren't used to this. Lightning deals are timed. Let's just have a quick look at this. On the right hand side it will show you when this ends. There's just under 8 hours left on this and it will show you how much of this deal is claimed. When that reaches 0 or that reaches 100, this deal will be removed. Apparently, I have seen them re-come on there, so this is what I'm talking about, the hype. This will get people to snap up these deals when they actually might be back. But that's what it is, that's your lightning deals. Just have a look at them. If you want to sort them, you can sort whichever category you want, and once you've done that, if you go over here and go to discount, this will sort them by the highest discount, starting at 77% off for a water pistol. Be careful with these. These again are to get you thinking, what a deal. I'll take that 77% off. Now, if you've watched one of my previous videos, I talked about a Chromium extension called Keeper. I'll leave a link to that video down below so you can have a look, but it's just a Chromium extension called Keeper. And what it does is it tracks Amazon prices. So let's have a look at, I don't know. Let's have a look at this doorbell. Now, even though this doorbell is 60% off from a recommended retail price of £30, if you come down, Keeper puts this price tracker on the page, and you can see here it's certainly not been at £30 since March 2019. And it's been steadily rising from $13.99, so you are saving some. It's currently at $11.89, that's right. You're saving a couple of quid. But it's not a price reduction of 60%. It certainly isn't. So that's a deal that, you know, it's here or there. That's what you've got to look at. Have a look at what it was definitely at and what its price history is before you have a look at the discounts. One of the best deals I think they're doing at the moment is for the 3rd generation Echo Dot. £19. I think it's brilliant. And there's a reason doing this is because all the new Echo devices are released next week. There'll be a new Echo Dot. There will be a review to follow because that's on pre-order. But for £19, I think that's a great deal. There are some more other deals that I think are good deals, but they're going to change all the time. So I've left a link in the description of 3 deals that I think are worth it. There you go. There you go. There are deals to be had. Just make sure you check that price history of that item. And another little tip is make sure you check other websites and shops on the internet for the item you're about to buy, as some shops like to compete with Amazon Prime Day and try and undercut their prices. Sometimes they're hard to find, sometimes you won't find anything, but sometimes there are better deals out there. All the links below are affiliate links. It won't cost you anything extra. It just gives a small kickback to the channel. If you want to support the channel in another way, then I'd love it if you could buy me a coffee. I've even got a new mug to stick them in. There's a link below to buy me a coffee, and I appreciate that support. If you haven't subscribed yet, that's up here, and I'll link some more videos up here if you want to carry on watching. Till the weekend, guys, I'll see you later.